Hello dear students, welcome back to Preparation Easy. I am your maths mentor Shailesh Bhange and we had started our new series of CMO previous year question papers. This will be our 7th video for class 7th. Okay. So CMO stands for CREST Mathematics Olympiad. The question paper will be for 60 marks which consists of two sections, that is of practical mathematics section and second one will be achievers section. Practical mathematics section will consist of total 40 questions, 1 mark for each question, and achievers section will be consist of 10 questions, 2 marks for each question. Okay. So this will be your question paper. This will be the practical mathematics section. It will consist of 40 questions. One question has 4 options A, B, C and D. You have to choose the correct option from the 4 and fill on the OMR sheet. Okay. These are the 40 questions. Then our second section starts. The achievers section. Achievers section will consist of 10 questions with each question has 2 marks. Each question is of 2 marks. Okay. And this will be your answer key. Answer key is provided for previous year question papers only. Okay. So let's start this with our first question of practical mathematics section. This question will be for 1 mark. Okay. So what is the question? Fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blank. Before fill in the blanks, we have to solve these equations. Solve the equations. What is the first equation? First equation is, okay. So what is the first equation? 11.25 minus 3.5 plus 7.5 divided by 12.25 divided by 3.5 plus 4.5. Okay. So this is our first section. I will separate out the numerator and denominator separately, solve it and then divide it. Okay. So 11.25 minus 3.75 plus 7.5. What it becomes? 7.5 plus 3.5 minus 3.5. It becomes 4. Okay. So 7.5 minus 3.5 will become 4. So 11.25 minus 4 will become, what will it become? 7.25. Yes or wrong? Is it correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. So what will be our numerator value? 7.25. Now we will go for denominator. What is denominator? 12.25 divided by 3.5, which will be equals to 3.5 and then plus 4.5. 3.5 plus 4.5, which will be equals to 8. Okay. So what will be what are our two answers? 7.25. Okay, sorry. Here we have to add it, not subtraction. It is addition. Okay. So it will become 15.25, not 7.25, because 7.5 is in addition. Plus 7.5 minus 3.5 will become plus 4. So 11.25 plus 4 will become 15.25 and denominator will become 8. Okay. So I will rough it all. What it came? 15.25 divided by 8. Now we will solve this second equation. Okay. So what is the second equation? 7.5 plus 3.25 minus 1.25 divided by 12.25 divided by 2.5 plus 3.5. Okay. Plus 3.5. So we have to solve this. So first I will go for numerator again. 7.5 plus 3.125 will become, okay, first we will subtract it. 3.5 minus 3.25 minus 1.25, it will become 2, and 7.5 plus 2 will become 9.5. Okay, 7.5 plus 2 will become 9.5. Then we will go for denominator, that is 12.25 divided by 2.5 plus 3.5. Okay, so 2.5 ones are 2.5, 2.5 fours are 12.25. Okay, and 4 plus 3.5 will become 7.5. 4 plus 3.5 will become 7.5. So our next equation is, here is the fill in the blank. Okay, and next is 9.5 divided by 7.5. If you look at the both of the okay, is there any mistake? Yes, is there any mistake? No. Okay, so 15.25 divided by 8 and 9.5 divided by 7.5. We can directly say that 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. It is almost equals to 2, and it is almost equals to 1 or 1.2. So which is greater? 2 is obviously greater than 1.2. So our option would be option A. What will be our option? Correct answer, option A, that is 15.25 divided by 8 is greater than 9.5 divided by 7.5. Okay, let's move towards next question. Question number 2. In triangle ABC and PQR, angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is given as 90 degree. Okay, AC is 8 centimeter. I will write it down here. Angle B equals to 90 degree. Then second thing, AC is 8 centimeter, and third one AB is 3 centimeter. Okay, this is for one triangle. For second triangle, I will write it down here. Angle P equals to 90 degree. Okay, angle P is 90 degree. PR is 3 centimeter, that is PR equals to 3 centimeter, and QR is 8 centimeter. QR is 8 centimeter. So we have to draw two triangles whose one angle should be 90 degree, one side should be 8 centimeter and another should be 3 centimeter. Similarly, 90 degree, 3 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So let's draw. Okay, so the first triangle, this one will be our first triangle. 90 degree as at B, A, B and C. Okay, so AC is 8 centimeter, AB is 3 centimeter, Okay, this will be our first triangle. Now I will draw the second triangle. Second triangle is (90 degrees) at P, Q and R. Okay, PQ and R. QR is again 8 centimeter and PR is 3 centimeter. PR is 3 centimeter. Okay, so or we can write it as like this. P, this one Q and this will be R. Okay, so PR is 3 centimeter. Now look at these two triangles. Are they congruent? Yes, they are congruent, as one angle is equal and two sides are equal. One angle is equal and two sides are equal. But what is the congruency test? There are here are the options. First one is SSS. SSS stands for side, where all three sides should be equal to next triangle. But here we don't know the third side. So this congruency test falls here. Then second is SAS. For SAS, first side, if these are two triangles, first side, second side and the angle between it, the angle between two sides should be congruent, should be equal. Okay, but here the angle is not in between two sides, that is, this is not these two angles, angle R or A. So this will also get false. Then third is angle side angle. Are here two angles given? No, here only one angle is given. So third will also get false. Then what is the last one? RHS. RHS stands for right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle is there? Yes, there is one right angle in both. Is there hypotenuse equal? Yes, hypotenuse is also equal. And is one side equal? Yes, one side is also equal. So this triangle, these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent by the property RHS congruency property. RHS congruency property. Correct option is option D. Okay, let's move towards next question. Next question is the average mark in math subject for class 30 students. Class of 30 students. How many students are there total? 30 students. Okay. 30 students. What is the average? What is average? Average is 62.25. Okay. This is the first condition. This is our first condition. What is the second condition then? If 10 more students added, students added, already there are 30. If I added 10 students, then it will become total 40 students. Okay. How many total are there now? 40 students. Then the average becomes 68.5. What will be the average? 68.5. Okay. This is our second condition. What we have to find? Find the total marks. We have to find the total. We have to find the total marks of 10 new students. Total marks of whom? 10 new students. We have to find the total marks of 10 new students. Okay. So what we can do first, we can calculate 30 students. We had given average of 30 students. So we can calculate marks of total 30 students. Yes. Then we had given the average of 40 students. So we can also calculate marks of 40 students. Then we will subtract 40 students minus 30 students. So marks of 40 students minus marks of 30 students. It will give the marks of 10 newly added students. Okay. So let's start calculations. First one, 30. What is the average? Average equals to total marks divided by students, divided by number of students. So we average is 62.25. Okay, what is the average? 62.25. Total marks we don't know, so we will consider it as X, and total students are 30. So what will become X? X will become 62.25 multiplied by 30. So what will become X? X will be 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So it will become 1867.5. These are the total marks of 30 students. These are the total marks of 30 students. So I can write it here. 1867.5. These are the total marks of 30 students. Now we will calculate same for 40 students. Okay, we will calculate same for 40 students. Formula will be same. What is the average? Average is 68.5. What is average? Average is 68.5. Total marks we don't know, so let's consider X, and students are 40. Students are 40. So X will be equals to 68.5 multiplied by 40. So it will become 4 5s are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 8s are or 8 4s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 6s are 24, 8 4s are 32, plus 2 34. So 4 carry 3, 4 6 are 24, plus 3 27, 2740.0. So the total marks of 40 students are 2740. 2740. So what we will do to find the marks of 10 students? what we can do to find the marks of 10 students? To find the marks of 10 new students, to find the marks of 10 new students, 10 new students equals to marks of 40 students, marks of 40 students minus marks of 30 students. Okay, so what is marks of 40 students? What are the marks of 40 students? That is 2740, and marks of 30 students, it is 1867.5. So what will be our answer? What will be our answer? Our answer will be 872.5. 872.5. How I had calculated here 0.0 I will add. So 0 minus 5 not possible, so I had take carry from 4, it will become 10 and it will become, okay, from 10 it will become 9 and this will be 10. 5 minus 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, again 13 minus 6, 7, and then at last it will become 8. Okay, so answer is 872.5. Let's move towards next question. What is the fourth question? It is, okay, so here we have given a pentagon. Pentagon means a figure or a shape with 5 sides. Okay, 5-sided polygon. It is also called as pentagon. It is also called as pentagon. Then find the measurement of angle x. We have to find the measurement of angle x. Here is the angle x. So before calculating the angle x, we have to find the total sum of polygon, which is 5-sided. So the formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Then what is n? What is n here? N means total number of sides. Total number of sides. What are the total number of sides here? Total number of sides are 5. So the formula will become 5 minus 2 multiplied by 130. It will become 3 multiplied by 180, that is 540. So we got that the angle sum of this polygon is 540. Total angle sum is 540 degree. Okay, got it? Okay, so let's move towards next one. First we have to find some angles. We have to find this angle, that will become, this is straight line, so straight line equals to 180 minus 80, that will become 100. So we got the first angle 100. Similarly, we can find here this one. This is also a straight line. AB is a straight line. So this is 65. Then it will become again 115. Okay. We have to find this angle. We have to find supplementary of x. So let's find out. We know 4 angles of polygon. So 540 angle sum property, using angle sum property, 540 equals to 115 plus second angle, that is 100, third angle again 115, and fourth angle is 90 degree. Okay, and let's suppose it as y. So we have to find the value of y. So 540 minus 115 plus 115, it will become 230. 230 plus 100, 330. 330 plus 90, 330 plus 90, it will become 420. So y will become 120. Okay, what is the value of y? This will become y. So y, okay, this is y. So y will become 120. So what will be the x? X is supplementary of y, that is 180 minus 120. It will become directly 60. So our option will be A. Correct answer is A, that is 60. So how we had calculated? First we had applied the formula, that is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. This is the formula to find the angle sum of any polygon, If I put here 4, that is for square, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 into 180 is 360. We know that square has total sum 360. For triangle it is 180. So we will put 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 into 180 is 180. Okay. So let's move towards next question. Question number 5th. Here we have to simplify. Here we have to just simplify. What is the values? First of all, 5 power 4, a power minus 3, b power 4 and c power 6 divided by 625, a power 5, b power minus 2 and c power 2. 625 can be written as 25 into 25, and again 25 is square of 5 square and this one also 5 square, so it will become 5 power 4. Okay, it will become 5 power 4. So let's substitute 625 as 5 power 4. Okay, under root 5 power 4. This a is in negative, a minus 3. So if I shift it to denominator, it will become positive. Okay, so I will shift a power minus 3 to denominator, b power minus 2 to numerator. So it will become b power 4, b power 2, c power is okay. Then again 625 can be written as 5 power 4, a power 5, and from numerator it is a power 3. Then b power is cancelled out as we have shifted it to numerator. Then c power 2. Okay, 5 power 4 gets cancelled. B power 4 plus b power 2, b power 4 multiplied by b power 2, power will be added. If a power n and multiplied by a power m, it will become a power m plus n. Similarly, if under root a power n, it can be written as a power n by 2, and if here is a power minus n divided by 1, it will become 1 by a power n. These are some basic formulas to convert powers, to calculate with powers. Okay, so here is 4 plus 2, then it will become 5 power 6, c power 6 and divided by c power 2, it will be subtracted. So c power 6 minus c power 2, it will become c power 4. Again a power 5 plus a power 3, a power 8. Okay, under root. If under root, we have to divide it by 2. Okay, so b power 6 divided by 2, it will become b power 3. C power 4 divided by 2, c power 2, and a power 8 divided by 2, that is a power 4. So this will be our final answer, b power 3, c power 2 and a power 4. Is there any option? B power 3, c power 2, a power 4. Option A is our correct answer. Okay, so let's move towards next question. Question number 6. 4 different electronic devices make a beep every 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour and 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, there are 4 electronic devices which beep. The first beeps at every 30 minutes. Like if it beep at 12 p.m., it will next beep at 12:30, then 1, then 1:30. So first will beep at 30, every 30 minutes. Second device at every 1 hour, which is equals to again 60 minutes. Okay, I'm just converting it to minutes because 30 is given in minutes. Okay, so 1.5 hour, third 1.5 hour, that is 90 minutes, 90 minutes, and last one is 1 hour 45 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes, which is equals to 105 minutes, 105 minutes. Okay, so we got the values, that is 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and 105 minutes. All the devices beep together at 12 noon. 12 noon means 12 p.m. All devices beep together means all devices beep at 12 noon. Then what time they will again beep together? We have to find the next together beep time. So we will find the LCM of 30, 60, 90 and 105. So 30, for 30 we can directly write it as 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 4 multiplied by, okay, sorry, 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, multiplied by 5, which is equals to 30. Okay, second is 60. Second is 60. 60 can be written as 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This is 30 and into 2 60. 30 into 2 60. Next is 90. Next is 90. So for 90 we can calculate it as 2. It will become 45. 45 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 5 is a 45. 45 2 is a 90. Okay. And last one is 105. 105. So 105 can be written as 15 into 7. 15 into 7. And 15 can be written as 3, 5 and 7. Or 7 5s are 35, 35 3s are 105. So we have to find the LCM. We have to find the LCM. Okay. So what is common here? 2 is common. Okay. Then again 3 is common. Okay, this one also. And then 5 is common. So I will write it down as, first I will write the common numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. Or okay. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. We'll cancel it from the numbers. This 2 cancelled, 3 cancelled, 5 cancelled. Okay, again 2 cancelled, 3 cancelled, 5 cancelled. Again 2, 3, 5 cancelled. Now what is remaining? First one all are finished. Okay, in second one 2 is remaining, so multiplied by 2. In third one 3 is remaining, so multiplied by 3. And in last one, okay, 3 and 5 was cancelled. So in last one 7 is remaining. So we have to multiply all these numbers. We will get LCM and then we will convert it to hours and then find the total hours. Okay. So 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5, it will become 110. Okay. 110 into 3, it will become 330. 330 into 2, 660. Okay, and 660 into 2, 1220. Is it correct? 2 zeros are 0, 2 6. Okay, sorry, 1320. Okay, so the final answer is 1320 minutes. 1320 minutes, which we have to convert it to hours. So divided by 60. 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 14. Sorry, 6 2s are 12. Again to 22. So after 22 hours, they all will be again after 22 hours. Okay, after 22 hours. So how we can calculate? From 12 noon to 12 noon, it will become 12 to 12. It will become, just a second, 6 2s are 18, 2 carry 1, 12. Okay, 12 to 12, it will 12 hours. So if I minus 12 hours, it will become 10 hours. So after 12, 10 hours, okay, so it will become 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and last 9. So they all will be again at 9 a.m. in 9 a.m. next day 9 a.m. they will together be again, okay. So let's move towards next question. Next question is 1200, okay, 1200 amount to 1632 in 4 years at a certain rate of simple interest. It is given that at a simple interest rate 1200 in 4 years becomes $1632. Okay, so then next what is given, if the rate of interest is increased by 1%, if the rate of interest is increased by 1%, what would be the amount? Okay, so first we have to find the actual rate of interest, that is the formula will be P into R into T divided by 100. P stands for principal, that is 1200, R stands for rate of interest and T stands for time, that is 4 years, and divided by 100. Okay, it is total 1632 given. Okay, so I will directly put the values. 1632 equals to, principal is 1200, we have to calculate the rate, time is given as 4 divided by 100, so 0 0 cancelled, so it will become rate of interest will be equals to 1632 divided by 12 multiplied by 4. So first 4 ones are 4 4s are 16, 0, 4 4s are 16, 0, 4 8s are 32. Okay, so it will become 8. So rate of interest will become 12 ones are 12, okay, 1632 yes. So rate of interest will become 12 ones are 12, 24, 36, 3 and then 48. So 4, 34%. Rate of interest will become 34%. If it is increased by 1%, so we have the same formula. The formula is, what is the formula? Okay, what is the formula? PRT. P is 1200 again, rate of interest 35, tenure 4 years divided by 100, 0 0 0 0 cancel, 12 4s are 48. Okay, 12 4s are 48. 48 multiplied by 35. So 5 8s are 40, 0 carry 4, 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24, 0, 8 16, 24, 4 carry 2, 3 1s are 3, 6 9 3 4s are 12 plus 4 plus 2 14. So it will become 0 8 6 1 1 6 8 0. So our answer will become 1 6 8 and 0. Okay, how I had calculated this? First I had applied the formula, that is principal P into R into T divided by 100. P stands for principal, that is actual amount, R stands for rate of interest and T stands for time, that is duration. Duration is 4 years, okay, divided by 100. From there I calculate the rate of interest. Then I added 1% to it, that is 35%, and again calculate the amount after 4 years, that is P, principal will be again 1200 as it is, rate of interest will become 35, it earlier it was 34, now it will 35, and time duration will be 4 years, so it will become 1680. Okay, let's move towards next question. Question number 8. Okay, in a shipment of 120 machines, there is a shipment which consists of 120 machines. Okay, 120 machines, 5% were defective, So what is the 5% of 12? 120, that is 120 multiplied by 5 divided by 100, which will become, which is 6. Okay, 0, 0 cancel, 5, 12 5s are 60, 60 divided by 10, it is equals to 6. 6 are defective, 6 are defective. Okay, so out of 120, how much are defective? 6 are defective. Next, in a shipment of 80 machine parts, there is another shipment, that is 80 machine. Okay, 80 machines, out of which how much are defective? 10% were defective. 10% means 80 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, which is again equals to 8, which is equals to 8 defectives. Okay, for the two shipments combined, what percent of the machine parts were defective? We have to find the combined defective parts. Okay, so 120 plus 80 will become 200. Out of 200, how much are defective? 8 plus 6, 14. Out of 200, 14 are defective. We have to find the percentage. Okay, we have to find the percentage. So what is the formula of percentage? To find the percentage, 14 equals to 200 multiplied by P, that is percentage, divided by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Percentage will become 14 divided by 2, which is equals to 7. So 7% are defective between both two when we combine together. Okay, so the answer is 7%. Let's move towards next question. Question number 9th. Question number 9th. The sum of two consecutive whole numbers is 12. What is consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers means such numbers which are just next to the previous number, That is, for example, 4 and 5 are consecutive, 5, 6 are consecutive, 6, 7 are consecutive. Here we had given whole numbers. Okay, if it was given that even numbers, then it will become 2, 4, 6, 8. This will be consecutive. Or if it is given as odd, then it will become 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so here it is given whole numbers. Okay, so if the smaller number is n, let's consider n, then which of the following statement is correct? If the smaller number is n, then what will be the next number? If the smaller number is 4, what is the next number? That is 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. If I consider 4 as n, then it will the equation will become n plus 1 for 5. Yes, so our equation will become n, that is our 4, plus n plus 1, that is 5. 4 and 5. Okay, so it will become 12, that is total. Okay, these are just 4 and 5 are just our considerations for understanding. Okay, these are not the final answers. Okay, so which equation will be correct? N plus 1, option D. Okay, let's move towards next question. Next question is question number 10th. Just a second. Okay, so next question is question number 10th. If here values are given, if P equals to 3x minus 4y minus 8z, what is Q? Q equals to minus 10y plus 7x plus 11z. Okay, and at last R is given as 19z minus 6y plus 4x. These are the values of P, Q and R. What we have to do? P minus Q plus R. If we subtract any value, which consists of multiple equations, so it will become, the signs will be changed. If it is negative, it will become plus, and if it is plus, it will become minus. So minus Q, that is minus 10 minus 10, it will become plus 10. Minus 7 plus 7 minus 7, it will become minus 7, okay, and plus 11, it will become minus 11, okay. So now just look at the values of x, just look at the values of x. What is the first value? 3x, second minus 7x, and third 4x. So 3 plus 4 7, plus 7 minus 7 gets cancelled, okay. So I will cancel directly 7, oh sorry, x. Then what are these next values? 4y, it is minus 4y, okay. So I will write here minus 4y. Second one plus 10y, okay, plus 10y. Last is minus 6y, again minus 6y. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 plus 4, minus 10. Minus 10 and plus 10, again it will be cancelled, okay. Y is cancelled. Now the last is x, the terms of x, okay. So minus, z1 minus 8z, second is minus 11z, and last one plus 19z. So 11 plus 8 becomes 19, plus 19 minus 19 will be again cancelled. So what is remaining? Nothing is remaining. Nothing means 0. The answer would be option B, 0. Okay. Just a simple question. Move towards next one. Question number 11th. Question number 11th. A polynomial when divided by x minus 6. There is a polynomial. What is the polynomial? Okay, polynomial is not given. What is divided by x minus 6? Divided by x minus 6. Okay. Quotient is, what is the quotient? Quotient is x square plus 2x minus 13. Okay, this is the quotient. And remainder, what is remainder? Minus 8. We have to find the polynomial. So how we can find the polynomial? If I consider, let's take an example, 2 divided by 9, what will become? 2 4s are 8. What is here remainder? Remainder is 1. Quotient is 4. Dividend and divisors are 2 and 9. So if I don't know the value of this value, I don't know the exact value which is divided. So how can I find it out? I will multiply quotient with 2, that is 4 into 2 8, and then add, multiply and then add. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 2, 8 plus 1, 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8, 8 plus 1 will become 9. That is our answer. Okay, so here same we have to do, we have to first multiply x square minus 2x, plus 2x minus 13 with 9x minus 6. Okay, so let's start multiplication. X square plus 2x minus 13 multiplied by x minus 6. First we will multiply x with all 3 terms, then multiply 6 with all 3 terms. Okay, so first x into x square, what will it become? X cube. Okay, then 2x into x, it will become x square. Then minus 13 into x, minus 13x. Again minus 6 into x square, minus 6x square. Then minus 6 into minus 2 plus 2, that is minus 12x, and then minus 13 into 6 will become 78 minus 78, plus 78, because both are minus. Okay, so x cube minus 2x square plus 6x square, minus 2 plus 6 will become minus 4x square. So when we simplify this, x cube minus 2 plus 2 minus 6 minus 4x square. Okay, minus 13 minus 12 minus 25x and plus 78. This will become our. Now what we have to do? We have to add the remainder. What is remainder? Remainder is minus 8. Minus 8 is remainder. When we add this 78 minus 8, it will become 70. So our answer will be x cube minus 4x square minus 25x minus plus 70. This will be our final answer. This will be our final answer. Let's find it out. Okay, x cube minus 4x square minus 25x. Okay, x cube, yes, x cube minus, okay, it is plus x square, x cube minus 4x square minus 25x plus 70. 70 is in plus, so our correct answer will be option B. Okay, correct answer will be option B. Let's move towards next question. What is the next question? In an isosceles triangle, there is an isosceles triangle. What is the properties of isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle have two sides equal and the angles opposite to sides are also equal. Let's suppose this is an isosceles triangle ABC, where AB equals to AC, then angle B will become equal to angle C. Angle B will become equal to angle C, that is opposite of AC B and opposite of AB is C. So angle B and C will become equal. Okay. Now let's check our question. Two equal sides is 3 more than twice the base. If we consider the base as x, if this is our triangle, we consider the base as x, then what will be the sides? Twice of base plus 3 more than 3 more than twice of base, that is 2x plus 3, and again this side will also become 2x plus 3. Okay, so what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 31. Perimeter is given as 31. Find the sides. Okay, sides we have to find. Perimeter equals to sum of all sides. Perimeter equals to sum of all sides. What is perimeter? Perimeter equals to sum of all sides. Perimeter equals to, first side is 2x plus 3, second side is again 2x plus 3, third side is x. So what will it become? 31 equals to 2x, x, 5x plus 3, 6. So 5x will become 31 minus 6 is 25. So x equals to 5. Okay. Now we got the value of x. X is 5. Okay. Then what will be the two sides? 2 into 5 plus 3. 2 5s are 10 plus 3, 13. 13 and 13. So our correct answer will be 5 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Okay. Let's move towards next question. What is the next question? The number of boys is more than the number of girls. Boys are more than the number of girls. If we consider, okay, by how much? 12%. 12% boys are more of the total strength of the class. The ratio of the numbers of boys to that of girls. We have to find the ratio of the numbers of boys with girls. Okay. So if I consider there are total 100 students. Okay. And if I consider there are x girls, how much girls are there? Girls are x. Then how much boys are there? Boys equals to x plus 12, that is 12 are more. Okay. So if I consider there are total 100 students, girls and boys will become 100. Okay. So x plus 12 will become 100. Okay. X plus x will become 100. So 2x will become, yeah, I am solving it. 2x will become 100 minus 12, that is 88. So x equals to 44. X equals to 44. So how many girls are there? 44. Okay. I will write here 44. How many boys are there? 44 plus 12, that is 56. We have to find the ratio. 44 divided by 56. What will be the ratio? Okay. 22 divided by 2 2s are 4, 16 8s are 11 divided by 14. So what will be the ratio? 11 is to 14. 11 is to 14. Boys to girls is asked. So 14 is to 11 will be the ratio. 14 is to 11 will be the ratio. Let's move towards next question. Question number 14th. The average marks scored by 22 candidates. We have given the average marks. Previously, we have solved such type of question. What is the average marks? Total candidates are 22. Average marks is 45. First 10, okay. Average marks of first 10 students is 55. And last 11 students is 40. Okay. So we have to find the 11th. How much marks does 11th number candidate got? 11th number candidate got. So first we will calculate the total marks, that is 22 into 45. What will it become? 45 to the 90, 0 carry 9, 45 to the 90, 99. So total marks are 990. Total marks of 22 students are 990. Then how much is the total marks of 55 students? 10 students, that is 55. So it will become 550. Total marks will become 550. And for 11 students, there are average is 40. So total marks will become 440. Okay, 440. If I have to find the exact marks of 11th student, exact marks of 11 students, there are total 22 students. Okay, first 10, last 11th and 11. Okay, 10 plus 1 11 plus 11, that will become, this is the 11th candidate. Okay, so first 10 candidates average is 5, total marks are 550. Last 11 students are 440. So how much marks does 11th student got? We have to add this both and subtract it from total marks, that is 550 plus 440. It will become 990, and 990 minus 990 will become 0. So how much mark does 11th student got? 11th number of student got 0 marks. 0 marks. 990 minus 550 minus 440. 0. 5 plus 4 9. Okay. 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 4 9. It will become 990. This is 990. Yes. 5 plus 4 9. 9 and minus 9. 0. 5 plus 4 9. 9 minus 9. 0. Again 0. So answer will be 0 marks as obtained by the 11th student. Okay. Let's move towards next question. Okay. In which one of the triangle does the orthocenter? What is orthocenter? If I consider an equilateral triangle, this will be the orthocenter. That means it is exactly equidistant from all three sides. This will be the orthocenter. Okay. Understand what is orthocenter? So ABC, where ABC is 60 degree. In equilateral triangle, the orthocenter will be at center. Okay, what we have to find? Orthocenter lie exterior to the triangle. Exterior to the triangle means out of the triangle. Okay, so for equilateral triangle, it will be at center. It is interior of the triangle. What is interior and exterior? If this is a triangle, then any point inside the triangle will become interior, and any point outside the triangle will become exterior to the triangle. Okay, so in ABC, okay, it is equilateral. So in equilateral, orthocenter is in interior. Okay, second is 40 30 110. 40 30 110. It is an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle look like this. Yes, this is an obtuse angle triangle, and its orthocenter lie outside, like this one. Okay, so the obtuse angle triangle orthocenter lies outside the triangle. Okay, so what will be our correct answer? Option B. Third one is again 80 60 and 40, that is acute angle triangle, and fifth one is 90 degree triangle or right angle triangle. Okay, so what will be your correct answer? Correct answer is obtuse angle triangle. Next question. Question number 16. Question number 16. A variate takes 11 values which are arranged in ascending order. There are some values arranged in ascending orders. Okay. What are the values? 8, 6 and 4. but these values are not okay. Just wait. What are the positions? 4th, 6th and 8th one, okay, but 8, 6 and 4 are not arranged in ascending order. This is a contradictory statement, but still we have to solve it. So let's solve. What is the median? What is the formula for median? The formula for median is n divided by 2 if even numbers are there, and if odd are there, n plus 1 divided by 2 for odd one. What is n? N means total number of students. What is n? N is total n by 2 for even and n plus 1 by 2 for odd. N is here 11 values. N will become 11, the total number of values. So n will become 11. So 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. So the number at 6th position will become the median. So what is the number at 6th position? It is 6. So our option will be, answer will be C, 6th, that is B. Okay, understand? Let's move towards next question. Okay, the marbles in a box are taken out and put into 3 bags. Okay, there are 3 bags. This is first bag, second and third. Okay, in the ratio of 3, 2 and 5. 3 is to 2 is to 5. Total marbles are 150. So what is the formula? We just put here x plus x plus x, that is 3x plus 2x plus 5x. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So total will become 150 equals to 10x. So x will become 0, 0 cancel, 15. So x will become 15. What we have to find? We have to find the most number of marbles. Most number of marbles in third one, that is 5x. 5x means 5 into 15. 5 into 15, which is equals to 75. Okay, so what will be our answer? Our answer will be B, 75. Let's move towards next question. Question number 18th. Okay, we have to find the common factor. The numbers are 72, x power 3, y power 4, z power 2. Second number is 120, 120, z power 3, d power 4, x power 4, and 96. For 96, y power 3, z power 4 and d power 4. We have to find the HCF. We have to find the HCF. So before finding HCF, we have to find the prime factors of 72, 120 and 96. Okay, for 72, 2, 2 3s are 12, 6 are again 2, 2 1s are 2 8s are again 2, 2, okay, 9s are, then 3 and again 3. Okay, this is for 72. Next number is 120. Next number is 120. Okay, for 120, 2, 60, 2, 30, again 2, 15, 5, okay, 3, 5, 5, 1, and at last the last number is 96. Okay, last number is what? Last number is 96. 96. 2, 2 4s are 8, 16 8s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are again 2, 2 6s are 2, 3s are 3, 1s are. Okay, so 96 can be written as 2 power 4 multiplied by 3. 72 can be written as 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2, and 120 can be written as 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So here we will just substitute it. Okay, 72 can be written as, I will rough it down. Okay, 72 can be written as, this is 72, 2 power 3, 3 power 2. Okay, 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2. 120 can be written as, then 120 is, okay, here 3 power 2 power 3, 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. Okay, 2 power 3, 3 power 1 5 power 1, and last one is 96. Last one is 96. 96 can be written as 2 power 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, I will draw this side factors. Okay, so these are our prime factors. Okay, multiplied by 5. Okay, so we have to find the HCF. HCF is what? Common numbers. Common numbers. First, 2 power 3, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. What is the least common number? That is 2 power 3. Okay, again 3, 3 power 2, 3 and 3. What is the common? 3 is common. Okay, then x cube, x raised to 4, not in third one. So x is, we can't consider x, so I will cancel it out. Okay, then again y power 4, there is not y power in second one, so y will also get cancelled. Then z square, z cube and z raised to 4. So what will it become? Z square, smallest power. So what will be our answer? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 is 24. 24 into z square. 24 z square will be our correct answer. Option D. Okay. Let's move towards next question. Next question is question number 19th. 19th question. The base of parallelogram. The base of parallelogram. Let's consider this is a parallelogram. Okay. Or I will directly draw it. This is also not a parallelogram. Okay. This will be our parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram. What is it said? The base is thrice its height. The base is thrice its height. What is the base? If height is x, base will be 3x. That is thrice of its height. Okay, we have to, area is given. What is given? Area is given, that is 108. Area is given, that is 108. Find the base and height respectively. So let's find it out. Okay, so what is base? Base will be 3x, height will be x. Okay, so area, formula of area, area equals to base into height, that is 108 equals to 3x into x. 3x multiplied by x. Okay, so 3x into x, 3x square, 108. So x square will become 30. X square will become how much? X square will become 36. So x will become 6. Okay, square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 36 is 6. Okay, so what is the height then? Height will be 6 and base will be 3x, that is 3 into 6. It will become 18. So correct answer will be option D. Correct answer will be option D. Formula for parallelogram area is height into base. What is height given? X. We had considered height as x. Base is given thrice of height, that is 3x. Okay. Let's move towards next question. Question number 20. Question number 20. Okay. Vince wants to fence the garden in front of his house. Vince wants to fence the garden. The garden is in triangular shape. What are the sides? 20.8. Second is 12.5. And third one is again 12.5. Find the cost of fencing. We do fencing at the boundaries, and calculation of boundaries, addition of boundaries is known as perimeter. So we have to find the perimeter. Okay, 12.5 plus 12.5 will become 25. 25 plus 20, 45, and 45.8. Okay, 45.8 will be the perimeter. Next. Okay, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter equals to 12.5 plus 12.5 plus 20.8, which is equals to 45.8. We have to find the cost. Cost equals to rate multiplied by perimeter. What is rate? What is rate? That is 125. Rate is 125. And what is perimeter? That is 45.8. What is perimeter? Perimeter is 45, 12, 12, 25, 25, 20, 45.8. We have to do multiplication. 4, 5, 8 multiplied by 125. So 5 8s are 40, 0 carry 4, 5 5s are 25 plus 4, 9 carry 2, 5 4s are 20, 22. 0, 0, 8, 5 and 4. So 0, 9 plus 6 will be 15, 5 carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 9, 10, 12, 17, 7 carry 1, 5. 57, 25. Okay, 57, 25 will be our final answer. 57, 25 will be our final answer. Okay. What is the final answer? 57, 25. That is 5,725 rupees, dollar will be required. Okay. Let's move towards next question. Question number, okay. Here what it is given 3 power 0, 4 power 0, 2 power 0 multiplied by 3 power 0 divided by 16 power 0. What is the power 0 means? Power 0 means any power 0 is equals to 1. So 3 power 0 will become 1 multiplied by 4 power 0 again 1 plus 2 power 0 1 multiplied by 3 power 0 1 and 16 power 0 1. So 1 gets 1. 1 into 1 will become 1. 1 into 1 will become 1 plus 1 plus 1 will become 2. So the correct answer will be option C, 2. Okay. Let's move towards next question. That is question number 22. Okay, simple question. A student observed a quadrilateral in which the diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular, okay, to each other, and it satisfies all the properties of rectangle. It satisfies all the properties of rectangle. It is a what? It satisfies all the properties of rectangle. Again, its diagonals are perpendicular, so it will become square. It will become square. Okay. What type of quadrilateral it is? The quadrilateral is of square type because properties of rectangles are matched. That is, all angles are of 90 degree. Okay. Second thing, diagonals are perpendicular. Perpendicular means it will become square. Okay. Let's move towards next question. That is question number 23. Find the sum of interior angles. Okay. Of a 15-sided polygon. Of a 15-sided polygon. 15-sided polygon. I had given the formula in previous question. That is, what is the formula? N minus 2 multiplied by 180. That is 15 minus 2 multiplied by 180, which becomes 13 multiplied by 180. 13 zeros are 0, 13 eights are 13 5s are 65, 13 6s are 78, 13 7s are 91, 13 8s are 104. 4 carry 10, 13 1s are 13 plus 10, 23. So answer will be, correct answer will be option A, that is 2340. Okay. Let's move towards next question. Question number 24th. Question number 24th. Two bells toll at intervals of 60 and 90 seconds. There are two bells, 60 seconds, 90 seconds. Okay. Then respectively, if they toll together at 10 am, again similar question. If they toll together at 10 am, we have to find what is the earliest time at which they toll together. We have to find the earliest time at which they toll together. So again we have to find the LCM. What are the numbers? First number is 60. 60 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 multiplied by 3, 12 multiplied by 5, 60. Okay, then next is 90. 90 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So what are the common numbers? 2 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common. So I will write it as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and remaining 2 into 3. That is 2 square, 3 square, 5. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 into 5. 36 multiplied by 5, which will become 180. So 180 divided by 60. Why 60? To convert it to hours. So it will become, divided by 60 will become 3. So after 3 hours, that is 10, after 10, 11, 12 and 1. So it will again told together at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Okay. Let's move towards next question. Okay, question number 25th. The greatest possible quantity that can be used to measure. Here, what we have to find? We have to find the HCF. We have to find the HCF. What are the quantities? Okay, just write it down. First is 2 liter 750 ml. I can directly write it as 2750 ml. Why 2750? Because 1 liter equals to 1000 ml, 2 liters equals to 2000 ml and plus 750, that is 2750. Second is 3 liter 500 ml, that is 3500. What is third one? 4250. Okay, we have to find the prime factors first. We have to first find the prime factors first. 4250, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are again 5. Okay, then 2 plus 1 3 4 5 5 plus 5 10. So 5 4s are 20, 12, 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 again 5 8s are 40, 25 5s are again 5 1s are 5, then 15, 5 3s are 15. Okay, sorry, 35, 5 7s are 35, then 17 and 1. Okay, this will be for 4250. Next, what is the number? Next number is 3500. 3500. 2 1s are 15, 2 7s are 10, 5s are 0. Okay, again 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, then 15, 2 7s are 14, then 10, 5, then 8, 7 plus 5, 12, 8, 20, okay. 5 1s are 5, 37, 5 7s are 35, 25, 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 25, 5s are then 35, again 5 7s are 35 and 7 and 1, okay. The last number, what is the last number? Last number is 2750. Just check it once. 2750. Yes, correct. 2750. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6, 15. 2 7s are 10. 5s are 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 6. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 37. 5 7s are 25, 5s are, okay, again 5 5s are 25, again 25, 5s are 5, 11 and 1. So we have to find the HCF. We have to find the HCF. Okay. For 2750, I can write down as 2750. I can write it down as 2 multiplied by 5. Okay. 5 cube, because 3 times multiplied by 11. Okay. For 3500, 2 square, 5 cube, 5 cube multiplied by 7, and at last 4250 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 cube multiplied by 17. So what is the HCF? Lowest common numbers with lowest power. That is, for the 2 is common and lowest power is 1. 5 is common, lowest power is 3, that is, and nothing is common. Okay, 5 cube 125, 125 into 2, it will become 250. It will become 250. So what will be our answer? 250 ml. What will be our answer? Option C, that is 250 ml. So this was our part 1 of class 7 previous year question paper. In part 2 we will be seeing 26 to 50 questions. Okay, question number 26 to 50 we will be solving in part 2. Till then, keep learning. Okay, bye.